Hello teachers. We, the student of Shivajirov S. Zondre College of Pharmacy, that is Asmita Unkamble, Dipti Jadhav, Minakshi Jadhav and Nikita Jadhav, would like to present our review project on study of different synthetic method of anticonvulsant drug phenytoin and its biological evaluation, which was guided by Professor Chopde sir. Introduction. What is epilepsy? A disorder in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, causing seizure. Epilepsy is third most common neurological disorder, and it is due to the sudden and excessive discharge of impulse. In epilepsy, brain activity becomes abnormal, causing seizure or period of unusual behavior, and sometimes there will be loss of awareness. Type of epilepsy: partial seizure and generalized seizure. In partial, only one hemisphere is involved and it is again divided into simple partial and complex partial. In generalized, both the hemisphere of involved and there will be loss of consciousness, and it is again subdivided into tonic seizure, atonic seizure, clonic seizure, tonic-clonic seizure and myoclonic seizure. Phenytoin, widely prescribed for the control of epilepsy. Mechanism of action of phenytoin: it blocks the voltage gated sodium channel. Method of synthesis: there are three methods of synthesis of phenytoin: traditional method, alternative method and green chemistry method. Main structural challenges for the synthesis of this compound is construction of hydantoin ring. Green chemistry is new and rapidly emerging field. Produce minimal chemical waste, gives good yield. It avoids the use of ethanol, which is hazardous to nature. Reaction can be carried out at faster rate and is less time consuming. We can obtain the pure product by green chemistry method. It eliminates the use of hazardous substance, and here we use the green solvent like water.
Good morning, teachers. Thank you so much, Asmita. She will explain all introductory part of our project. Myself, Dipti Jadhav, I explain two main methods of phenytoin synthesis. That is, first traditional method and second one is alternative method. Phenytoin has been widely prescribed for the control of epilepsy since its introduction as a pharmaceutical agent during 19th century. And although superseded by a number of newer drugs, it remains in use today in this route. The main structural challenge for the synthesis of the compound is the construction of hydantoin ring. This hydantoin ring can be formed in a one-pot procedure starting from benzene. In this slide, we can see the reaction which is involved in a synthesis of phenytoin from the benzene. Procedure of traditional method: take a 2 gram of benzene, 2 gram of potassium hydroxide and 780 mg of urea. All are dissolved in a dry ethanol in 80 ml. Heat gently to reflux on a steam bath until TLC analysis. Take a ethyl acetate and hexane in the ratio of 20:80, which is indicated complete consumption of starting material. The reaction mixture is poured onto ice mixture and the solution filtered to remove a small quantity of 4,5-diphenyl 4,5-dihydroxyimidazole. Then the remaining red solution is acidified by the drop-wise addition of concentrated hydrochloric acid to precipitate the product as a white solid, which was removed by filtration, then washed with water and dried to give the product that is recrystallized from ethanol. Then calculate the yield of recrystallized material and record the IR or melting point of product. Now, second one method, alternative method. Place 2 gram of benzene and 0.96 gram of urea in 100 ml round bottom flask. Then add 50 ml of 95% ethanol and stir the mixture to dissolve the solid. Add 6 ml of 9.5 molar potassium hydroxide solution. Reflux the mixture for 2 hours. Transfer the solution to a 400 ml beaker and add 100 ml of ice cold water. Then keep this beaker on ice and add 10% HCl dropwise until the pH reaches 4 to 5. Then cool the mixture further in the ice bath and collect the product by vacuum filtration. Recrystallize the product. Thank you. And the next third method was explained by Meenakshi Jadhav. So start, Meenakshi.
Green chemistry method. 5.3 gram of benzyl, 3 gram of urea, 15 ml of 30% weight by volume of sodium hydroxide solution and 40 ml of water was placed in 250 ml round bottom flask and refluxed for 2 hours. After cooling to room temperature, the reaction mixture was poured into 100 ml of water with stirring. It was allowed to stand for 15 minutes and filter under suction to remove the insoluble byproduct. The filtrate thus obtained was cooled and acidified by using concentrate hydrochloric acid. The precipitate obtained was separated by filtration. The crude product obtained was washed with cold water. Physical data of phenytoin. Parameter. First, color state. Result is colorless crystalline. Second, percentage yield 44%. TLC. Chloroform is to ethyl acetate in 7:3 ratio. Fourth, RF value 0.64. Fifth, melting point 296 to 297. Observation table. In observation table, we can see the percentage yield obtained by each method. In conventional method, the obtained yield is 30.21%. In alternative method, the obtained yield is 33.57%. In green chemistry method, the obtained yield is 44.17%. So we can see the yield obtained from green chemistry method is highest from other methods, that is conventional method and alternative method.
Myself, Nikita Jadhav. My topic name is anti-conversion activity. The anti-conversion activity of the compound was measured by maximal electroshock induced seizure test and phenytoin letrazoles induced seizure test. Maximum electroshock induced seizures, which albino mice weighing 25 to 30 grams were used. They are divided in 4 groups. Each contains 6 mice, 0.1 gram aqueous solution used as vehicles for preparation of suspension of phenytoin. Control group was injected with normal saline solution or gum acacia solution 10 ml per kg. Phenytoin 20 mg per kg used as standard. They all received 48 mA for second duration through electroconversometers using air electrodes after 60 minutes of oral administration of test formulations. Animal observed for 2 minutes duration of tonic flexion and latracy of one set of colons was recorded. Complete abolition of hind limb tonic extension was considered 100% protection. The ability to prevent this feature considered as indication of anti-conversion activity. Conclusion. Phenytoin is synthesized by conventional method. Further, it is synthesized by application of principle of green chemistry with high purity profile, high percent yields, as well as having safety by omitting the use of ethanol. Water, a green solvent, is used in instead of ethanol in synthesis of phenytoin. There is reduction in time and ultimately cost as compared to conventional procedure of synthesis of phenytoin. Thus, we conclude that the synthesized compound have potential in the green chemistry. Thank you.